dear students. Welcome to our online school. Let's start our English lesson. Today our topic is weather. Now let's learn some new words about weather. Look at the pictures, listen and repeat after me. Cloud, cloud. Rainbow, rainbow. Frost, frost. Sun, sun. Now let's try to do an exercise.
Соедини слова с картинкой.
First one, rainbow. Can you see a picture with a rainbow? This one? No. Oh, this one. Well done. Next one. Sun. Can you see a picture of sun? Great. Cloud. Where is a picture of a cloud? This one? No. Cloud. Well done. And the last one is frost. Good. Now let's do the next exercise. Look at the pictures, listen and repeat after me. Snow, snow. Rain, rain. Cloud, cloud. Wind, wind. Sun, sun. Fog, fog. Now do the exercise.
Прослушай и выбери соответствующий рисунок.
Snow,
Snow. Can you see a picture of a snow? This one?
no, it's rain. Snow is white.
This one?
Yes, it is snowing.
Well done. Next one.
Fog,
Can you find a picture of fog?
well, the wind is very strong, but I can't see any fog.
No.
Right, what a thick fog.
Well done. Let's learn some more words. Look at the pictures, listen and repeat after me. Temperature, temperature. Wind, wind. Rain, rain. Storm, storm. Now let's try to do an exercise.
Прослушай и расположи картинки и слова по порядку.
Rain,
Rain. Can you find a picture of rain? This one? No. Oh, here it is. Now try to find a word that says rain. Rain? No. Rain? No. Rain? Yes. Next.
temperature,
Temperature. Is this a picture of a temperature? Yes. And this is a word, temperature. Well done.
storm,
Storm. Can you find a picture of a storm? Great! And now let's put a word. Fantastic! Let's do one more exercise. Look at the pictures, listen, and repeat after me. Showers, showers. Snowman, snowman. Raindrop, raindrop. Snowflake, snowflake. Now let's do the exercise.
Соедини слова с картинкой.
Snowman. Can you see a picture with a snowman? This one? No, this is a snowflake. Oh, here's the snowman. Well done. Snowflake. Exactly. Showers. Where is the picture with showers? This? No. Oh, here it is. Showers. And the last one is raindrop. Well done. Let's do one more task. Look at the pictures, listen, and repeat after me. Hail, hail. Hot, hot. Cold, cold. Forecast, forecast. Now let's try to do an exercise.
Прослушай и расположи картинки и слова по порядку.
Forecast,
Forecast. Can you see a picture of forecast? No. Here it is. Now let's find a word that says forecast. Forecast? No. Forecast? No. Maybe this one? No. Here is forecast. Next.
cold,
Cold. Can you see a picture of cold? Well done. Let's put the word that says cold. Great.
hot,
Hot. Is this a picture that says hot? No. Here it is. Well done. And now we need to find a word that says hot. Hot. Well done. And the last exercise for today.
Прослушай и выбери правильный ответ.
Picture number 1.
Do you ever walk in the rain?
Rain. Is this a picture of a rain? No.
Wow, what a beautiful rainbow!
Rainbow. Is this a picture of a rainbow? Yes. Picture number 2.
I like cold winters with lots of snow.
Snow. Can you see snow on the picture? Yes. Number 3.
The fog is so thick.
Fog. Is this a picture of a fog? Yes. And the last one.
It's starting to rain.
Rain. Is this a picture of rain? No.
It's warm and the sun is shining.
Sun. Can you see sun on the picture? Yes. Well done. This is the end of our lesson. Thank you. Goodbye.